the technology of PDC line Pharma is based on a unique cell line. It's a plasmacytoid dendritic cells coming from the blood of a patient having a very rare leukemia, affecting, small fractions of the dendritic cells in the blood, called the plasmacytoid dendritic cells. And this cell line has, based on the blood of the patients, has very interesting characteristic based first on the fact it is a plasmacytoid and on the myeloid, which is the majority of the dendritic in the blood. And secondly, due to we believe the mutations is generated to the leukemia, this cell line is extremely potent, more potent because we did benchmark study to over autologous or allogeneic dendritic cell approach. It's not rejected in human based on the data we did on melanoma study. We have not seen any anti-HLA antibodies appearing after 3 injections of the vaccines loaded with different antigens. And so it's not rejected, it's very potent, and it's a cell line. And in terms of manufacturing, batch-to-batch consistency, as we are using exactly the same cell coming from the same clone of one patient, we are in an optimal situation in terms of batch-to-batch consistency. So this is, in summary, the three key competitive advantage we provide with our cell line.